Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to sell USDT on Binance on P2P. First log into your Binance account and go to Trade, then P2P on the Binance dashboard. Select the Sell tab, then choose USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to sell. You can either sell directly to an existing buyer by selecting an offer, or create a sell order if you want to set your own price and conditions. Enter the amount of USDT you want to sell, then set your price per unit or use Binance's express order to match with the buyer at best market price. Choose payment methods you accept like bank transfer, PayPal, etc. Once matched with the buyer, wait for them to transfer the payment. Check your account to verify the funds if they have arrived. After confirming your received payment, click on Release USDT to complete the transaction. Ensure you have received the full payment before releasing USDT and use Binance's chat feature for communication if needed. If there's an issue, you can contact Binance support. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.